my god, that's bad. That is...
I just got my first whiff.
It just smells like shit.
Not to be a stickler, Tom, but I feel like you didn't go for a big enough bite. Hello.
Hi there. We're Jez and... You like went in my mouth. We're Jez and Tom. We're in Sweden trying Surströmming, the most rancid smelling food in the world, and welcome to... We were at the Oscars factory in Sweden to try Surströmming. Surströmming is a rotten fermented Baltic herring that's been stored for over 6 months in a mixture of salt, brine and lactic acid. It's been voted the worst smelling food in the world.
Rancid, rotting, sulphurous. Now with the description of Tom out of the way, it was time to learn more about the fish.
So we're just going into the factory now of where it's made. I'm getting a serious walk through.
Now these fish hadn't even been canned yet, and it was already the worst smell I'd ever smelt.
I'm struggling here. What's the history of it? Where does Surströmming come from?
Story goes like that when it was poor times, hundreds of years ago.
Yeah.
Then they didn't have enough salt, so they have to eat it, they have to try it.
And then they went, actually, this isn't
And
that
then they
bad.
liked it.
Perfect. Do you think it'll be enough for us?
Yeah.
Doesn't fill me with confidence, you laugh. Did you have any advice when we eat this?
I just enjoy it.
Just enjoy it.
Okay, sure, I'll enjoy it the same way people say that they enjoy jogging or salads. I mean, come on, you're only kidding yourselves here.
Frederick's gone, you ready to try some?
No. Why am I trying this?
Because you hid behind your pescatarianism every time I had to eat a bull's d or a goat's eye. This one's made for you, mate. So pucker up.
Oh, Christ. I'm already feeling queasy. I can feel it in my stomach.
Good.
Oh, sounds liquidy. I've shaken it up. Is it like a Pepsi can? Like, if I shake it,
It's gonna
it
explode
explodes
even more. The worst part about this is everyone says the smell's the worst. So even though I'm making you eat this, I'm gonna get just as bad a reaction as you.
Yep. Good.
Don't hold your breath.
I'm getting... Oh, it's on me! It's exploded! Oh my god, that's bad.
I just got my first whiff.
It smells like someone has eaten diarrhea and thrown it up, and then eaten that, and then canned it. Oh, gee. It just smells like shit. That's the only way to describe it. It smells like someone's done a big poo in a can. I'm trying to be respectful, you know, it's a delicacy in Sweden. The problem is, I've just never smelt anything like it. It's probably the worst smelling thing I've ever smelt in my life.
It's definitely an acquired taste.
Every fibre of my being is saying, don't eat that food. Before I could eat the fish, this lovely man turned up to give me a spot of advice.
You don't eat the whole fish. The male got the semen, so you don't eat the whole fish.
Right, because you don't want fish semen.
Yeah. You take out the bones and everything from the fish.
So what's the most you've eaten?
I think it's 17.
17.
Yeah.
Have you eaten it most of your life?
Yeah.
So you're used to it, doesn't smell...
No, it's very good.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah.
We're just pathetic. Do you think it makes it easier or worse, the fact that you know there might be semen in this fish?
Well, I wish he hadn't told me that. Because now...
It's not like you want to hear. Ready, mate? Go on.
Semen.
Did you get a nice mouthful?
I started to think to myself, hey, actually, Tom, you can do this. It's not that bad.
Well.
But I was wrong.
Something, mate. Your face is bright red.
Oh my god.
Not to be a stickler, Tom, but I feel like you didn't go for a big enough bite.
I can... Oh my Christ. Well, that was Surströmming. I'm glad I've tried it. Would I eat it again? Probably not. I'm sorry you had to see that.
Cheers.
Thank you.
God, you totally embarrassed us in front of Swedish Gandalf.
I know, it was a look of disappointment in his eyes. Actually felt worse. Everything I smell just reminds me of the fish.
You sound like you get PTSD.
Oh, I have got PTSD.
And it happened 5 minutes ago.
I've got it all over my socks as well. I'm gonna have to chuck them.
Just having a quick little bonfire.
Quick bonfire, burn all the clothes. Pickled herring. Love the idea of it, the taste of it.